Hi everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Bob here. Thanks so much for stopping by. So let's get right to it and take a look at the watches. So back at the airport, we're actually going to Vienna, Austria. All right, guys, so out for a little bit of a hike this morning and got something pretty exciting planned for today. I was planning on taking you guys to a fishing spot a friend of mine and I like to go to that's really cool, but hopefully it's not too windy. Never expected to be doing a video on this subject, but... Can I be never? So that's it for today, guys. Any questions on the watch, reach out. Also, I just wanted to give you guys a quick longer term take on the watch today. Thanks to you guys for stopping by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye. All right, guys, so just wrapping up the edit on the video that you're watching right now with a few little highlights from 2020. And I just wanted to end things by thanking everybody for the support on the channel. It's been a lot of fun. 2020 has obviously been a very strange year for all of us, but having you guys and the channel has made it great still, even under the circumstances. So I really appreciate that. So I just wanted to wish everybody a happy new year, and we'll see you in 2021.